I'm Joel Mayer.
And I'm Jeremy Wood.
And we're with Brewery Branding Company here in Portland, Oregon, here today to talk about how we created our vision. Brewery Branding designs and manufactures merchandise for the craft brewing industry. We started just two guys in a basement trying to figure out what products we needed to provide for the breweries and what they need. And so as their needs changed, we had to adapt with that. So we've just kind of tried to match the needs of the industry and our customers as we've gone along.
Every year you've looked at us, we've probably looked a little bit different. We want to keep our same values and be the same company, but always are up for pivoting and tackling new challenges. A lot of these breweries really needed help with design, fulfillment, sourcing. So we really kind of tailored all of our value-added services to the needs of breweries. And so as breweries really started to market themselves, there was a need in this niche. They make a premium product with their beer. They want the merchandise to reflect that. It's part of our culture here in Portland, and we're passionate about the industry. So we knew that if we serve this industry uniquely, that there would be plenty of business for us to grow and plenty of opportunity for us to help out the clients.
Certainly in the last 5 years, trying to forecast, what's the industry going to do? And we're so tied to a very specific industry, so we ebb and flow as they do. So their challenges become our challenges. Partnering with S&S has been really good for us. It's allowed us as a small company from even the early days to compete with the biggest and the best. S&S is so consistent, so it's not like any specific put out a fire type story or really stepped up, because they're always up.
What we've found with S&S over the years is having multiple warehouses with great stock that we can count on has been great. What we really strive to do is be on the forefront of trends, and S&S brings in new brands. They get those trends and fully in stock.
Having a team that was willing to show us what was new, get us samples when we needed it without us having to, invest crazy amounts of money in that. Keeping our pricing competitive has just allowed us to compete on a level that most small businesses wouldn't.
What we've really found that's worked for us is just being nimble, being able to pivot, being able to make decisions, right or wrong, but get them going and address the needs of our changing industry.
We're always looking for how we can improve ourselves and how we can help our customers improve on that front. So after 16 years of doing this, that part hasn't gotten old. And so we're looking forward to continuing that endeavor. We're here at our new print shop that we're calling On Draft Print House. Come check it out.
So we're here on the production floor at On Draft, Brewery Branding screen print shop. And right now we're stacked up, ready to go, taking all those designs and turning them into some awesome apparel.
All right, so the first machine that we got is this 12-station Auto Cobra from M&R. And we're able to run about 3,000 shirts a day on here if we're really cranking. So we're running all of our brewery branding stuff through here, but we're also open to contract printing at this time. And then as we go into phase 2, where we add another press, we'll be able to add more contract printing in.
Part of our expansion plans for phase 2 and adding a second machine is making sure that we have a dryer that can handle that. So right now we went big with a split belt dryer that can handle multiple jobs at different rates. So this fits all of our needs, and we're excited to have it cure all the prints and get everything ready for folding and boxing.
So for reclaiming screens, we went with the Blue Water, brand new machine, came highly recommended. And so far it's been a workhorse for us, so we're really digging it.
Yeah, we can run about 200, reclaim about 200 screens a day through this, so it handles all of our needs and our expansion needs. And really it's nice to run a screen through here, almost like a car wash, sends it out to the end to be reclaimed so we can keep reusing our screens and have them ready for the next job.
Welcome to the screen room. We've got all the top of the line, newest equipment here from M&R. When we decided to start the shop, we definitely wanted to make sure we had the best equipment possible on the pre-press, so we can make sure that everything that comes out of here is as good as it can be going to press.
So this is our patch sewing department. We sew on not only patches, but small tags, little embellishments to apparel, and of course headwear. So really built out of the necessity to find processes that really worked for us as far as sewing on patches with the best equipment to control quality, turn time, and it was kind of our first foray into doing our own decoration, which now we've since expanded into screen printing as well.
Thanks for taking some time to learn more about Brewery Branding and On Draft Print House. We're looking forward to cranking out a bunch of great retail brewery merch and working with some new contract partners in phase 2. So thanks a lot, and we'll see you around.